Hello students, today we will be learning about how do organisms reproduce. Reproduction is a process by which all organisms multiply in numbers and increase their production. Basically there are two types of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction in which only one parent is enough to produce as many individuals as per the need of the organisms. But in sexual reproduction, both male and female parents are required, because in sexual reproduction, fusion of gamete takes place. Now let us discuss asexual reproduction in detail. The first one is fission. Below you can see a picture of binary fission in bacteria. Binary fission also takes place in amoeba. Fission is of two types, binary fission and multiple fission. In binary fission, the mother cell is capable of producing two daughter cells, whereas in multiple fission, like plasmodium, the mother cell enough to produce as many as 1000 daughter cells. Now the next one is budding. You can see a picture of budding in hydra. In budding, the mother cell produces a small bud which finally grows and degenerates from the mother body. Example, yeast, mucus as well. Next one is regeneration and fragmentation. Regeneration is the word used for the production of new individuals from the part of the body that is used for lower animals, whereas in fragmentation, plants are capable of producing the new individuals as well as animals too. Regeneration is a process of growing the lost organ or lost body parts, as we can see the example of lizard, because lizard is capable of producing the new tail if it loses its tail during any incident. Below you can see a picture of fragmentation and regeneration in hydra. Next one is spore formation. Organisms such as fungi make spores that can grow into complete new individuals when dispersed from the fruit body. The important part of the asexual reproduction is the vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means the parts of the plants are used to produce new individuals, as in case of bryophyllum, the leaf of the bryophyllum is capable of producing the new individual. Tuberous roots in potatoes, stems, modified stems in onions are other example of vegetative propagation. One important method of asexual reproduction is artificial method, that is cutting, grafting, layering, plant tissue culture. So let us discuss cutting. In cutting, say for example in sugarcane, the nodes of the sugarcane which can produce buds are grounded 3 centimeter below the ground, and in due course of time it germinates into the new plants. In case of grafting, say for example pomato means potato and tomato. So as we know that the upper part of the potato is of no use and the lower part of tomato is no use. So in grafting what happens? The root part of the potato is taken and the shoot part of tomato is taken. Both the parts are grafted together, and in due course of time a new plant will come up that will be known as pomato. In the lower part of the pomato we will be having potato, and in the upper part we will be having tomato. So this is a new method of planting, that is grafting. In layering, the branch of the plant which lowers towards the ground is mounted with soil after leveling into the ground. The part which is mounted to the ground in due